Hello and welcome back. Now here we are with the exercise questions of a chapter lines and angles. Get on to the third question. First two questions I have already explained in the introductory part of lines and angles. Now the next question. Here it is given that angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. Given part A that angle PQR and angle PRQ both are equal. Then we have to prove here that angle PQS means this angle is equals to angle PRT. These two angles are equal, this we have to prove. Now how we will prove it? First of all, proof we will start from the given part. We are having that angle PQR is equals to angle PRQ. If these two angles are equal, and also we know that by linear pair, what does linear pair says? That on a straight line, the sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree. So, by applying the property of linear pair, we will get from here that angle PSQ plus angle it's not PSQ, it's PQS. Angle PQS plus angle PQR will be equals to 180 degree. Let us consider equation number 2. And angle PRD plus angle PRQ. This is also equals to 180 degree. Let us consider this one as equation number 3. Angle PQS plus angle PQR, the sum of these two will be equal to 180. Again, angle PRQ plus angle PRT, the sum of these two angles, it also forms equals to 180 degree. Now we know that if in any two equations, the right hand side of the equations are equal, then their left hand side will also be equal. ठीक है, अगर कोई भी दो इक्वेशंस हैं, उनकी राइट हैंड साइड मीन्स इक्वल्स टू के जो राइट हैंड पार्ट में आता है, यदि वो साइड इक्वल है, then the left hand side will also be equal. So from here, equation 2 and 3, from these two equations, we can see that angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRT plus angle PRQ. This we can say from here because both the right hand sides are equal, that is equals to 180 degree. If the right hand sides are equal, then the left hand side, that is sum of these two, will be equals to sum of these two. Then by equation 1, if we see the equation 1, what is the equation 1 says? That PQR and PRQ are equal. PQR means this angle and PRQ this angle. The measurement of these two angles are equal. अब यहाँ पे यदि हम इक्वलिटी चेक करते हैं, then equality the sum of two is equal to again the sum of two. From this, if one of the part is equal, ठीक है, then we can cancel this part. If the part is get cancelled, then by equation 1, what is the remaining part? That angle PQS is equals to angle PRT, and this is what we have to prove, that angle PQS is equals to angle PRT. ये हमें यहाँ प्रूफ करना था. क्लियर है? गिवन है क्वेश्चन में that angle PRQ and angle PQR, these two angles are equal. We have to prove that their external angles are also equal. For proving external angles equal, we will apply here the property of linear pair. Linear pair says the sum of these two is equals to the sum of these two. Out of the sum, if the interior angles are equal, then we will get here that this exterior angle will also be equal. That is angle PQR is equals to angle PRT. Okay. Now moving on to our next question. Next question of the exercise. This question says that in the figure, this figure is given to us. AB is a straight line. C, this is point B, angle X. This one is angle phi. This is W, and this one is angle Z, and this center point is O. Now here we have given that x plus y is equal to W plus Z. यहाँ given है हमें that is the sum of x plus y is equals to the sum of W and Z. The sum of these two angles is equals to the sum of these two, and we have to prove here that AOB is a line. ये प्रूफ करना है हमें कि AOB लाइन है. To prove a line, we have to prove that the angle formed is equals to 180 degree. किसी भी पार्ट को यदि हमें लाइन प्रूफ करना है तो लाइन प्रूफ करने के लिए हमें प्रूफ करना रहेगा कि उस पर जो एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है that angle is equals to 180 degree. So here also we have to prove that angle formed on this AOB is equals to 180 degree. Now before that, I have to ask a question to you that what is the measurement of a complete angle? Complete angle means the angle of a circle. What is the measurement of the angle of a circle? Yes, the measurement of this angle is 360 degree. So, by applying this property, we will start our discussion. Now see, from this figure, you can see that sum of all these angles, if we add all these angles, that is x, y, z and w, then the sum of all these angles is a complete angle. And if it is a complete angle, it means the sum of these angles is equals to 360 degree. So, from figure, we will get x plus y plus w plus z. This is equals to 360 degree. But we know that x plus y is equals to w plus z. It means in place of w plus z, we can replace x plus y, or it's vice versa. That is, in place of x plus y, we can replace w plus z. Any of the part can be replaced. So if we are replacing here x plus y as it is, plus in place of w plus z, again x plus y as it is given to us, that x plus y is equals to w plus z, and this sum is equals to 360 degree. Then x plus y plus x plus y, it is equals to twice of x plus y, which is equals to 360 degree, or x plus y is equals to 360 upon 2 means 180 degree. अब x plus y का मेजरमेंट हमें मिला है 180 degree. And what does x plus y form? X plus y is on the line AB. So, if the sum of these two angles is equals to 180 degree, then we can say that this AOB is a straight line. Hence, AOB is a line. This is what we have to prove in this question. Clear to all of you? Now, next one. Now the next question is a little bit different from these questions which we are doing till now. See the next question. The next one is, now this figure is given to us. For this figure, this figure is given to us. For this figure, it is told here that POQ is a line. What are the given parts? Write down the given thing. POQ is a line. Second thing, it is given that OR is perpendicular on PQ. Secondly, OR perpendicular on PQ. If OR is perpendicular, then what is the measurement of a perpendicular angle? कोई लाइन अगर perpendicular होती है तो एंगल कितना बनता है? That is 90 degree. Hence we can say from here that ROQ and ROP, the measurement of both these is 90 degree. Angle ROQ equals to angle ROP equals to 90 degree because it is a perpendicular. क्योंकि ये परपेंडिकुलर है तो परपेंडिकुलर का एंगल का सम इक्वल होता है 90 डिग्री के. सो हियर वी विल गेट दैट ROQ and ROP is equals to 90 degree. Then we have to prove here from this that if OS is a ray, then prove that, now write down what we have to prove. Prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus angle POS. This is the part which we have to prove. क्या प्रूव करना है हमें यहाँ कि एंगल ROS, the measurement of ROS is equal to half of QOS minus POS. This part we have to prove here. अब इसे प्रूव करने के लिए कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे हम? For this we will start from the right hand side. इसे स्टार्ट कहाँ से करेंगे हम? हमारे right hand side से. See the proof. In right hand side, we need to find out the measurement of QoS and the measurement of POS. First of all, find out the measurement of QoS from the figure. Can you tell me what is QoS equals to? Look at the figure and then say QoS. Where is the angle QoS? This whole forms the angle QoS. Now, this QoS we can write as the sum of these two angles. यहाँ हमें दिख रहा है QoS दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है, so we can write QoS with the sum of these two angles. What is the measurement of this angle? Yes, already we have written it is equals to 90 degree, and then this angle is ROS. So this QoS we can write as 90 plus angle ROS. Let us consider this one as equation number 1. Now, secondly, what we have to find? Angle POS. कौन सी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है हमें? POS की. POS. This is the part POS. Now, how we can find out this POS? तो POS को फाइंड करने के लिए, suppose this is the figure, this angle we have to find. तो इस एंगल को हम लिख सकते हैं the whole angle minus this angle. We can write this that अगर हम इस पूरे में से इस एंगल को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें then the remaining part is POS. So the same thing we will do here. What is this whole angle? This whole angle is 90 degree. Angle POS 90 degree minus what we have to subtract from here? From here we have to subtract ROS. यहाँ से हम ROS को माइनस करेंगे. ऐसा हमने क्यों करा? Because ultimately we need the answer in the form of ROS. हमें इसे किसके इक्वल वेरीफाई करना है? इक्वल टू ROS. तो इसे ROS के इक्वल फाइंड करने के लिए what we will do? इसे हम इक्वेट करेंगे in the form of ROS. तो ROS के फॉर्म में इक्वेट करने के लिए what we have done? POS को हमने लिखा the whole angle minus ROS. So it will be equal to 90 minus ROS. ठीक है, अब इन दोनों की वैल्यूज तो निकल गई हैं. नाउ अब क्या किया जाएगा? जो हमें ROS मिले उसके लिए what is the relation in between these two? The relation between these two is difference. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Here we will also find out the difference of both these equations. That is equation 1 minus equation 2. हम भी इन दोनों इक्वेशंस का डिफरेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो डिफरेंस इज QoS minus POS. This will be equal to equation 1 90 plus angle ROS minus equation 2. What is equation 2? 90 minus angle ROS. जब हम नेगेटिव साइन से किसी भी ब्रैकेट को ओपन करते हैं, देन व्हाट हैपेंस? द साइन गेट्स चेंज्ड, है ना। हमने अगर माइनस के साइन से ब्रैकेट को ओपन करा तो क्या हो जाएगा? जो प्लस की टर्म है इट विल बिकम नेगेटिव, एंड जो नेगेटिव टर्म है इट विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. सो हियर वी विल गेट एंगल QOS minus angle POS is equals to 90 plus angle ROS minus 90 minus into minus plus angle ROS. 90 get cancelled. What is the remaining term? Angle QOS minus angle POS is equals to ROS plus ROS, that is twice of angle ROS. और हमें अगर फाइंड करना है सिर्फ ROS की वैल्यू, देन दिस टू विल कम टू द डिनोमिनेटर. सो इट विल बिकम 1/2 एंगल QOS minus angle POS is equals to angle ROS. This is what we have to prove. ROS is equals to 1/2 QOS minus POS. Got it? Okay, good. So these are the questions of exercise